Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Kitana from Mortal Kombat. I just have the hair on to show you guys. So I just have this in only bangs, this in black, and then I just did this in only bangs too, all black. And for this I did animated and I made a few adjustments here. Y.65, Z.78, rotated at Z.31 and scaled it to 0.60. And then on this one, scale it to 0.65, Z.7, and rotate it a little bit to Z.4. For the outfit, I am going to be using this, which is a Roblox item, but it looks very similar to the one Kitana has. Slight cropped, and then I'm just going to color it this color, 2E3B7A. Then for the lacing and outline, I'll just use this gray, and then for the lace, I'll just use the skin color. If I use without lace, oh, you know what? Let's just do without lace. It looked weird before, but now it didn't for some reasons. I think it was the skirt. Let's just see how it looks. So we're gonna put this on. Okay, it looks fine. Then I'm just going to put this on, and I'll just do this blue again, but a little bit darker. And then I'm just going to do this in metallic as well. Then for the mask, we're going to use this and the same blue in silk, and then we're just going to do this in silk as well, like so. And then for the headband, we're just going to use this. I know it doesn't look exactly the same, but obviously Dress and Present have the exact same thing she has, so we just adjust it a little bit. My friend's here, that's why you can see her in the background. And then for the earrings, I'm just going to go to the Valentine's Day area 2. I'm just going to color that gray. And then we are going to put this on as well. Where is it? The sleeves in blue and in silk. Then I'm going to get these bracelets and I'm just going to color them this gray. And then I'm also going to, oh, I forgot to color the chains in gray too. And then I am going to put this on. I'm going to do face cover lift. You can do anything else that you'd like. I'm just going to do this one in that blue. And then it's kind of like green here. So I'll do that. And then I'll do the rest, this gray color. And then for the shoes, I just use a combo of these boots and socks. Where'd the socks? Oh, here. I forget where they are. High striped socks. Remove the feet and then color it white and metallic. Like so. Am I missing anything? Let me just look at the reference again. No, okay. I think that's all I had on. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.